Hello, welcome back to CompXM CompXM round 4 sample strategy. So this is the last round for CompXM. So our companies have added 4 new products in all the 4 segments. So for each segment we have 2 products, a little bit different from each other, but closely um, to the market expectation. We are doing well. We lead the market because we have more market share, total net profits, and we are producing at a good expectation of the market or market demand. So the first thing is doing the R&D. We take that with the report from the previous year to make sure that our product have a good performance in size, meeting the market demand. So we take that with the report for all the edge product in all the 4 segments. Performance in size are important to nano and elite, not so important in for trade and core, but we keep that higher than customer buying criteria so that we can sell, make sure that we can sell the product. But we need to check that with the top selling product to maintain our product competitiveness, and also just a little bit lower to save cost. And for nano product, the performance inside the most important thing, so we keep that close to ideal. For elite product, actually we are meeting the market demand because it's 0.8 edge television, so all the product are good in R&D. And now for the marketing, we reduce the price by 50 cents, and also we still need to check that with the top selling product. We are in the top 4, so it's okay, and the market share is 13%. is also good. Because our price is much higher, you can see that our price is much higher, so we are enjoying much more margin per product. The top selling can be sell much more than this, but we are setting the price higher possible, so we get higher margin, higher net profit. And some products still suffer from stock out. You say that nano still suffer from stock out, so we can take note of that when we set the production this year. This is round 4, so we don't have to add more capacity, so we just make sure that we produce full capacity. And now we come to the production. For the production we see that we need to check the report again to here we see that we get information, product information, so we get the total sale and inventory for take total sale initial in round 4 and inventory, and also we check the potential market share again to get the total market demand for next round, and the potential percentage of the market share for each product. We have each product in 4 segments, so we use the Excel file to calculate, and you see on the screen. So we have the forecast, and also we have the production. We check that carefully to make sure to avoid any mistake in calculation. Sometimes we check the Excel on the cell, so that apply the same formula and check the percentage of market share precisely. Okay, so we do that 8 times for 8 product, and then we have a good calculation for the next year. So we get the forecast, we put that in the forecast for marketing for all the product, and also we take the inventory to see that some product, for example in this round, or the nano product did not sell well from round 2, so the demand for round 4 a little bit low, but the others okay. The other 7 products are quite good. Okay, now we move to production. For production, we input on the estimation plan of production, but we need to check the production after adjustment to make sure that we can meet the market demand. So also we add for the 4 new product. We don't have to add new capacity. You see that we add here, but you don't have to do so because we don't have the last round for simulation. So that's the final round for simulation. We don't have to add new capacity. Yeah, you don't have to do so. If you want, you can add, but you don't have to do so because it's the 4th round of the simulation. and we see that if we do that in the future, sometimes you have the question from professor to plan for the future. You can take note to add new capacity, but this is the game finish here, so you don't have to add capacity if you want in round 4. And for human resources, you keep that 5,080 hours. And in finance, so we get that for finance we get that a lot of net profit, so we still retire max stock retire, and also we pay dividend by $8, and also we retire some long-term debt if you like. You can adjust that to get the most highest possible. So total market share, total sale 335, much higher than previous year. Previous year we sell 279, now we have 335. Contribution margin of 48%, and net profit of 62 million. So 62 million with 48 million, we get 100 million of net profit, much higher than the second competitor, Chester, in this case. So that's the correct strategy. We need to plan ahead in round 1, so we can get a good result from round 2. One bad point, but bad side of this strategy is that in the first or the second round we do not have the very good strategy, but from later rounds so we can get much higher results on our competitor. So you see the stock price of our company around jump to 163 and much higher than the second one, 127. Okay, so that's an overview of our strategy. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.